Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're about to step into the lobby of the 23 building, so I wanted to show that off to you. This is the street access, and by the way, this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. So let's walk into the lobby and go see it here, and so we're gonna walk in. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty lobby. It's very luxury hotel looking. Gorgeous feel here. So basically, this is the part you can access, but also, and without being a resident. But then I love it that the concierge is just right there. So they're eyeing visually, giving you, good safety when people are coming in. She's going to be, looking, and she's also going to be attentive and help you with your questions in the area. So it's a really good lobby. We're going to walk through here just so you can see it. And here's what else is here. By the way, there's the 23. You can go here and kind of, touch the screen and kind of see some things here, if you want. But you can also do that online. But I love that big screen that's there. Also, just on the first floor, you do have just the mail room and things like that, and then the elevators. So this is kind of the first floor. There is a second floor, but this is pretty much it right here. Now we're going to go see the amenity floor. I can't wait to show that off to you. That's on the 8th. And if you have any questions of anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.